Welcome to our JIRA tutorial. Our team uses JIRA to break out web development projects into separate issues that our technical project managers schedule, our developers fulfill, and our clients can use to track their website's progress. Here's how you can launch and manage your sprints. What you see here is the backlog, where we have unscheduled tasks. Before you create a sprint, you can ticket out each task that needs to be completed in the backlog, as well as assign them. Once you've built out tasks, you can click and drag them into your sprint. Once you've built out your sprint, click the Start Sprint button overhead. You can set the dates you want your sprint to run through and record any sprint goals before starting. Once launched, your sprint will appear in the Active Sprint tab. You can move tasks along and filter them. You can still see and manage your active sprint under the Backlog tab, as well as any unassigned tasks. If you want to add tasks to your sprint once it's launched, just click and drag. If you click back to the Active Sprint tab, you'll see your task has been added. To create an entirely new task and add it to the current sprint, click the plus icon on the left. Name the task, assign it to the right board, and under Sprint, find the sprint labeled Active. Assign the ticket and then click Create. You should see the ticket immediately appear in your active sprint. Once you've finished all tickets in your sprint, or you've reached the end of your sprint period, click the Complete Sprint button at the top of your screen. If there are uncompleted tickets, it will ask you where you would like to put them, whether in the backlog or a new sprint. Once you've completed the sprint, it will close out and take you to a report of your sprint's activity. To start a new sprint again, go back to the Backlog tab and click Create Sprint. You can create a single sprint at a time or schedule out future sprints all at once.